Today, it will challenge a huge project, printing a 1.8-meter high mannequin in one piece. Printing area up to 1000 mm x 1000 mm x 2000 mm, suitable for large-scale integrated printing. This mannequin will be fully integrated, eliminating the hassle of traditional stitching. VEHO1000-20 Pro large printing size to meet all your needs for complex designs. The printing speed is amazing, and the entire model can be completed in 2 days and 23 hours. In less than 3 days, we were able to create this 1.8-meter mannequin from scratch. Completely integrated, no need for splicing, unparalleled precision. VEHO1000-20 Pro, the perfect combination of ultra-large printing range and high-speed printing technology. Whether it's artistic creation or industrial application, it's your best choice. With the help of VEHO1000-20 Pro, there are infinite possibilities for future printing. Let every idea take shape quickly, breaking the limitations of time and space. Experience the VEHO1000-20 Pro now and embark on your journey of 3D printing. For more information, please visit our website.